In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not working on a new phone. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once it's open, tap the plus icon at the top right corner. From here, choose to add a personal account. Make sure you're adding the same account that you were using on your previous device. If you still have access to your old phone, you'll see the email account listed there. On the new phone, tap personal account, then either scan the QR code from your old device or sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. If that doesn't resolve the issue, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Microsoft Authenticator, and make sure the app is fully updated. If it says open, you have the latest version. If it says update, go ahead and update the app, then try again. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.